turtle or something.
There he is.
Long
Awesome.
line. That's a bonito.
Uh-oh. Right.
Just play him easy.
No, he didn't. No horse in it.
Strong one,
Yeah.
man. Yeah, just play him easy. I'll slow us down a little more.
That'd be a good one. Gotta love the tug.
Yeah, just in case. Just cause it's that kind. I ain't doing that mess again like yesterday. That could be a king. Just makes you nervous on them little tiny hooks. We'll try to bring him right up that back corner, if you will.
Walk him around, follow your line. Not that way.
Yeah, you
Toward.
I'll be able to see him here in a minute. Well, maybe we can't see him.
It's a screamer.
Two colors down there. Go on. Try to bring it up.
Laddie.
Yeah, that's a good one, man.
Something like that was catching yesterday. Good job, bud.
Yeah.